Do you allow your relationship status to dictate when and where you eat? Single, married, or complicated, you are invited to join me, food maven Gail Washington, on various culinary excursions throughout the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'll share delicacies from eating in to eating out and snacks for the road that are sure to appeal to the most discerning palates, but specifically for those that are eating single. Hi, yes. Table for one, please.